Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present, in honor of National Soup Month, yes, it's a real thing, my low-carb crab bisque. Probably one of my favorite recipes to warm you up on a cold day. If it doesn't, just try standing in the corner for a bit. As you know, most corners are about 90 degrees. Let's get started. We'll be using 2 stalks of celery, half a green bell pepper, and a 1/4 cup of onions. Once all are nicely chopped, set it aside as we'll put together our spice blend. To a small bowl, add some salt, ground black pepper, some cayenne pepper, and a seafood seasoning I absolutely love, Paul Prudhomme's Seafood Magic. Give a mix to incorporate. To our spice blend, we'll add a little xanthan gum and give another mix. Mixing it to the spices here helps prevent any clumping when we add it to the dish. To a skillet on medium-high heat, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add the chopped bell pepper, celery, and onions. Now add the spice blend. Cook the vegetables until they're softened and the onions begin to turn translucent, about 2 to 5 minutes. Pour our sautéed vegetables into a blender. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of seafood stock, and 4 ounces of crab meat. Blend until smooth. Pour the bisque into a stock pot on medium-high heat. Add 2 more cups of seafood stock and the remaining 4 ounces of crab meat. Give a mix and let come to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally. When it begins to boil, reduce the heat and let simmer and thicken, stirring a bit here and there. This will take anywhere between 25 minutes to an hour. Just be patient, it's well worth the wait. Serve warm, garnish with some dried chives, and enjoy creamy seafood goodness. There you have it, folks, my low-carb crab bisque recipe. One of the best tasting low-carb bisques you'll ever try. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.